There are two ways to subtract. The first method is called decomposition. And the second method is called equal addition. Right, I'm going to subtract 6 from 22 by each method. With the decomposition method, we say 6 from 2 we can't. So we borrow from the 10, the two tens, over to the units column. And we say 6 from 12 is 6. And 0 from 1 is 1. Now what we've done here is we've broken down the 22. We've decomposed the 22. We've called it 10 and 12. And by calling it 10 and 12 and not 22, we can do the problem. With equal addition, we say 6 from 2, we can't again. So we give 10 units to this side and we pay back 10 units over onto the other side. And we say 6 from 12 is 6 and 1 from 2 is 1, and we get the same answer. What we've done on this side, equal addition, we've added to the top. We've got 20 and 12, we've got 32 at the top, and we've got 6 and 10, we've got 16 at the bottom, and 32 minus 16 will give us the same answer as 22 minus 6. Next one, 2, 3, 7, take away 53. By the decomposition method, 3 from 7 is 4, 5 from 3 we can't, so we borrow, leaves us with 1, 5 from 13 is 8, and 0 from 1 is 1. With the equal addition method, three from 7 is 4, 5 from 3 we can't, so we give ourselves 10 tens over on this side and we pay back 100 to this column. So we say 5 from 13 is 8 and 1 from 2 is 1. So we get 184 again. 437 take away 381. 1 from 3, 1 from 7 is 6. 8 from 3 we can't, so we borrow. 8 from 13 is 5, and 3 from 3 is 0, so we get 56. Equal addition method, 1 from 7 is 6, 8 from 3 we can't, so we add on 10 tens and we add on 100 over there. So we say 8 from 13 is 5 and 4 from 4 is 0. So we get 56 again. Next one. 1, 4, 7, take away 58. Write it down in the usual way. 8 from 7 we can't do that because the 7 is smaller than the 8. So we borrow. Borrow a 10 from there. 8 from 17 gives us 9. And 5 from 3 we can't do it, so we borrow again. So we've now got 5 from 13 is 8. And 0 from 0 is 0. So we've got 89. Eight from 7 we can't. So we give ourselves 10 units there and we pay back the 10 to the tens column. 8 from 17 is 9. Now we've got 6 down here. 6 from 4 we can't do that. So we give ourselves 10 tens there and we pay back 100 in this column. So we've got 6 from 14 is 8 and 1 from 1 is 0. So we got 89. And the last one is 504 minus 9. 504 minus 9. This can probably be done in your head, but I'm doing it to show you what happens when we can't borrow from here. We say 9 from 4, we can't, so we have to go over here to borrow. But we can't borrow from there because there's a 0. So we have to go over to the hundreds column and borrow from the hundreds column. And that allows us to put 10 tens here. Now we borrow from the 10 tens. Leaves us with 9 tens. And we've got our 10 units over there. Now we say 9 from 14 is 5. 0 from 9 is 9. And 0 from 4 is 4. And in the equal addition method, we say 9 from 4, we can't. So we give ourselves 10 at the top in that column and a 10 in this column. 9 from 14 is 5. 1 from 0 we can't do. So we've got to give ourselves 10 tens here and pay back 100 over onto this column. So we've got a 1 here. 1 from 10 gives us 9, and 1 from 5 gives us 4. And that's subtraction.